Okay, I don't know if this will work or not, but I figure take a shot at it and see what happens. I think I might have this set up with just enough depth to start making a cut. So bear with me. This is going to be slow as, I'm manually adjusting everything and manually reversing the motor, etc., etc. But let's see what happens. Gloves. Well, that was anticlimactic. Climactic. But that's a first chip, more or less. I just need to adjust my depth of cut a little bit. Let me bring you guys down here and show you. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? That is not small either. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. And I'm gonna make a little bit of an adjustment and see if we can keep making some progress with this. All right, just for good measure, there it actually is. I had to break it off, but it definitely wasn't a small piece of metal. So I've raised the cutter a little bit, and I'm going to see if I can get through a cut now, if I'm even touching the surface. Definitely touching the surface. Still deeper than I can manage though. I definitely dug right back in again. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause you again, and hopefully eventually I'll get this depth set right. Okay, let's try this one more time here. Okay, now I'm going to step it over. All right, let's see if I can get a chip to actually come off the part this time. Guess not. All right. Back it up. See if I can drop the cutter just a tiny bit. See if that actually did anything or if that was backlash. Not off to a great start, but anyways, I'll bring you back when I start to get this thing dialed in a little better. Okay, with any amount of luck, I think this time it might actually do it. We shall see. Or I could be wrong again. I'll get the depth of this thing figured out eventually. Looks like it might have been taking some rust on that pass. Alright, let's try this. That seems a little better. Yep, something definitely happened there. Okay. Where did the chip go? Where did my precious chip go? Oh well. Oh, 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 oh. There it is. There it is. Woohoo! I know. Small victory. Victory nevertheless. Okay, let's see. So it looks like this outer rail is higher than these guys here. And I assume this outer rail probably is the same. So I'm going to try and cut those a little bit and then start to work my way in towards the little I-beam parts. Let's see if I can get anything here. The unfortunate thing is you guys have a better view of it than I do right now. All right. Well, at any rate, I'm going to tinker with this for a little while longer. It's not really doing a great job at the moment, but that's not the machine's fault. That's my fault. So anyways, I'll catch up with you guys later. Actually, I'll just pause this for a little while. Maybe I'll have something more interesting to show you here after a bit. Okay, it looks like I might have a little bit of something going on for me at this end. So you step over a little bit. Wrong way. Step over a little bit. It's taking just a little bit off of this end here. Let's see if I can repeat that. I think it got a little more. One more time, and then I'll let you guys go. Keep getting this backwards. Okay, one last time on this. Well, it's cutting. It's just cutting too much, unfortunately. At any rate, I keep slipping my serpentine belt, so I just kind of wanted to get a feel for this and see. Well, I mean, what can I say? I wanted the machine to cut. And it was going to take me a long time to get the big motor set up and the leather belts and etc., etc. And that is a cut. So, small success, but success nonetheless. So, I'm going to go ahead and upload my semi-successful video and back this cutter off.